In this video, we'll show you how to replace the outer tie rod on your Subaru Impreza. This is located in the front of the vehicle, behind the wheel, and part of the steering system. Let's get started. We can go ahead and remove the lug nuts with a 19mm. We can go ahead and break our jam nut free with a 19mm. We'll go ahead and remove the cotter pin for the outer tie rod. We'll want to replace this. We can remove the nut for the outer tie rod with a 19mm. We'll strike the end of the knuckle with a hammer right here to release the outer tie rod. You want to be careful not to damage your backing plate or your brake rotor. Now we can remove our outer tie rod. We want to count the number of turns as we remove this. That way we can put the new one where the old one was. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now we'll thread the outer tie rod onto the inner tie rod, making sure we count the number of turns so it's installed in the same position as the old one. Once you catch the threads, you can start counting. 1, 2, 3, and so on. We're going to apply a small amount of anti-seize where the jam nut will go. Now we can install our outer tie rod into the knuckle. Our new tie rod nut has a nylon lock washer in it, so we don't need a cotter pin. We'll snug this down using upward pressure on the outer tie rod. And we can torque this to 20 foot-pounds. And we can go and tighten down our jam nut. Now we can go ahead and reinstall our wheel. If you thread the first lug nut all the way in, it'll hold the wheel for you. We'll go ahead and snug those down. Now we'll torque the wheels to 72 foot-pounds. Take the vehicle for a test drive down to your local alignment shop.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.